One of the latest and easiest ways to earn cryptocurrency for free on hashing airspace is as simple as hitting this login button right here, and then you instantly earn your cryptocurrency as in form of asimi tokens, which can be traded for either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies out there. So if you missed the previous two videos where I explained the steps of the process, how to get set up your login stake, you can check out the previous videos. There's also a link down below which has the link to the playlist where you can find those videos on how to get started with this, and as well as how much you can expect to earn. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my previous earnings from just simply logging in, as you saw what I just did, and then basically you view the ad for 15 seconds. If you like what is being advertised, you obviously can interact with it and join, or whatever the services, whatever the website requires you to do. Otherwise, you just hit the dashboard button and then you basically get paid for that day. So you only get paid once, no matter how many times you log in per day. You only get paid once, depending on the percentage that you have on the stake. So right now, according to the email that was sent this morning, you can earn up to 6 asimi tokens if you have one full login stake, which is 10,000 asimi tokens staked in the login stake. So if you have 10,000, you earn up to 6 asimi tokens simply for logging in. So today I'm going to be showing you my my earnings from this, from the hashing airspace login. So if you're new to this channel, I'll really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. Also check out the link to the Telegram group that we have, where I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions or you just need help with something. I can help you there. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updates on the earnings with the login and all the other different ways of earning with hashing space. So stay tuned to the end and let's get into it. So basically, as you can see, I'm on my wallet balance right here. So I'm going to be explaining a few things. So basically, in the last video, I made a big mistake when it came to calculations and so forth on how much you can expect to earn, and I realized that. So basically, this is why I'm mostly doing this login update and showing you what's really going on. So as you can see, I've got let's take a previous day, let's take one full previous day to just show you how much I actually earned per day. So let's go in. When did I start with the login stay? Okay, I think I started here on the 8th, right? So let me just take you through the whole process of how much I'm earning per day and how many transactions I'm actually earning from. So as you can see, this is on the 8th. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 transactions on the 8th. On the 9th, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's use the 9th because it has all the transactions that I need. Let me see the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's basically 5 transactions now every single day. So I started on the 8th. On the 8th of September, as you can see, login stake. I basically earned 0.4 asimi tokens for that day. And then actually starting on the 9th right here, so it actually goes down. As you can see right here, is now 0.41 and from 0.47. So this is according to my asimi stake that I staked. So I basically staked 578 asimi tokens, and this is how much I'm earning. And it's decreasing because as more people stake the asimi tokens, obviously that 872 asimi tokens has to be equally shared among them, among all the people who stake the asimi tokens according to the percentage that you have, right? And we're going to talk about that later in this video on the percentage part that I'm describing. So as you can see, different ways to earn right now with hashing airspace. These are basically the ways that you can earn asimi tokens totally for free on hashing airspace right now. As you can see, we have about 5 ways to earn right now. So firstly, it's going to be the stake returned. So this is, as I explained in previous videos, I have 2 asimi token stakes. So basically, these stakes allow me to earn 1.2 asimi tokens every single day for spending 15 seconds of my time. And then, so basically, the money that or the asimi tokens that I staked, they're basically being returned to me every single day in potions, because I staked about 102, 105 asimi tokens, and they're being returned every single day for 365 days in potions. So, or of a little bit of 0.29 asimi tokens every single day. So that's how much is being returned. So basically, remember, if you're not buying, you're simply just holding your asimi tokens and earning on top of that. So all the profits that you earn, which are basically 1.2 asimi tokens for 2 stakes every single day, those profits you keep them, they're straight into your account at the end of every single day. So that's just free minting. So that's why I say there's no really investing on this platform. It's basically just holding your cryptocurrency and then you earn on top of that. So, and then you get it back. So there's no buying, there's no whatsoever. You basically, it's a win-win situation for everyone. It's totally for free. That's why I say all the ways of earning on asimi or hashing space are actually free, because you get it back. If you stake, you get it back. If you're viewing ads with the view to earn, you basically just earn free cryptocurrency for just simply viewing ads. And I do my best to always try to view all 50 ads. That's why you see my earnings are literally like extremely high. That's the maximum that you can make according to the views, according to me, viewing over 50 ads. All 50 ads every single day. That's how much I'm able to accumulate. As you can see, it's being quite consistent above the 6 every single day. So anyways, the other way to earn is the login stake, which is 0.4. And then the fourth way that I'm earning here is with affiliate. So basically with affiliate, it just depends on how much people are actually taking action that you refer to this platform, how much of them are actually taking action and viewing these ads, or maybe they're minting or they're buying products. So whenever your affiliate do any of those things, you get a commission. I don't know, it's somewhere between 1 to 10%, something like that. So it's not a lot, it's not something to rely on, but it is a good extra bit of income to add up to, to your earnings every single day. So as you can see, that's another way to earn. And then obviously the view to earn, which is the one that I really recommend everyone to get started, because it's simply just signing up, log in every single day, just sign up for the first time. If you don't have an account, log in and then view all 50 ads if you can, or at least the first 20 to earn the most that you can, because I think the first 20 ads add up to 4 asimi tokens. So if you okay with just earning 3 to 4 asimi tokens, that's okay for you as well. I really recommend that you just do this and stake your asimi tokens, so that when the price goes high, you are there to transact into a lot of money. So anyways, these are the 5 free ways to earn asimi tokens on this platform, so that you can withdraw once you hit $50 worth of asimi tokens. Right now, I'm gonna be legit with you. Right now, I think to be able to withdraw that $50, you need 800 worth of asimi tokens. So you need 800 asimi tokens. Those are worth $50 right now, even though that in just 2 or 3 months ago, that would have been worth over $1,000 US. 800 asimi tokens would be worth over $1,000 US. So that's what I want you to focus on right now, not to focus on the current value, but on the future value, which is at least where asimi token will be over at least $1 US, because right now it's just around 5 cents USD. So for each asimi token, so I want you to focus on the future value, which is the gray, where the most value is right now. So anyways, those are the 3 ways to earn on hashing space. So right now I'm gonna go back to my dashboard and then share with you the login stake. So let's just go asimi stake and then go to the login stake to show you the overall earnings and what's going on there. So I actually staked my asimi tokens from this. So in the previous video, as I said, I actually staked this 578 asimi tokens, but then because I'm pretty sure by end of this month or 30 days I'll be able to do another withdrawal video with the rate that I'm earning my asimi tokens at. I think I'll be able to hit that 800. If I miss it, I think maybe a couple of weeks later, because I want to do another live proof withdrawal. Maybe I think I'm going to do a live stream on that just to show you the whole process, that it's legit and there's no complications whatsoever. So watch out for that as well. But for now, as you can see, this was the asimi that I staked. So as you can see, the pending and stake amounts still continue to earn until they're processed. So 30 days so I staked it, right? So there's 30 days until I get this asimi tokens, which will be on the 8th of October. That's when I'm gonna get these asimi tokens back into my wallet, all of them. So basically I staked so that I will be able to withdraw on the 8th or somewhere around that date. So basically, I still continue to earn every single day, even though I actually took out my asimi tokens. They're still pending, but I still continue to earn for the 30 days, which is great, which is really amazing. I found that really, really amazing. There's a perfect deal right there. So as you can see, I can add this more to the stake, or each asimi token that I earn every single day, I can add it so that I continue to earn even more on my login ad. But as you can see, how it's calculated is quite complicated. I didn't know that they actually use this number right here. So and this number is increasing every single day. This started from 0 and now is at over 1.4, almost 1.5 million asimi tokens every single day. So this is what actually influences your percentage. It keeps on going. As this value goes up, your percentage obviously goes down. So for this percentage to go up, you have to keep on staking asimi, so adding more asimi every single day. And just with the email that was sent today, they actually share that once you have that one full asimi stake, which is 10,000 coins, 10,000 asimi tokens, you basically earn six asimi tokens for simply logging in, which is crazy. That is really, really crazy. Just an easy way to earn, because anyways, you're gonna log into hashing space every single day, just to either to advertise or to view the ads and earn. So it's just like a really good another way to earn. So it doesn't matter how many asimi tokens you have, because you can literally stake from just one asimi token. So every single day, if you want to earn with this, simply all the tokens that you earn every single day, just add them to your stake and continue to increase it until you hit that 10,000 target, which is very much doable if you keep on being consistent with it, and then earn your asimi tokens. And remember, you still own those asimi tokens that you stake. They're just there. Within 30 days, you can get them back on your account and start earning. So my total earnings so far for the past, I think, 3, 4, 5 days, since Saturday, and today is Thursday, so I think that's less than a week. I basically have earned 2 asimi tokens for simply logging in every single day. That is great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up on Telegram or leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate you taking time to watch this video all the way to the end. And if you got any new suggestions of videos that you need me to talk about more, you can leave them also in the comment down below. I'll go through them and then choose the best that I can talk to for the next video. But the next one, I think I'm going to be showing you either the how to withdraw process if I have hit that minimum, or it's going to be another demonstration of what's going on with hashing space. Also, I just wanted to show with you that in the emails that hashing space send out, they actually have links to their Telegram group and the Facebook group, so you can join those groups to stay up to date with what's going on, the news and so forth, and the prizes, or just to be in the environment of like-minded people, just to people who also focus on this and what they're all doing. So go check those out in the emails that hashing space is sending out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.